So this is my second steam engine, again by design by mrpete222. This is a double acting steam engine, and it's the second one of the three that I've built to the design by mrpete222. And each steam engine was a progression. I wanted it to be a progression and more complicated as they went on. So the first steam engine just had a beveled base, whereas this has got a this is slightly different. The flywheel was smaller on the first one and quite plain. This one gave me an opportunity to use the rotary table and make it a little bit more interesting. Same with the crank disc. I didn't want it to just be a circular one, so I made it more of a bob weight crank. Not that it does a great deal of work because it's only aluminium, but I'm quite pleased with this, and this one really motors. So let's have a look at it going. This, being a double acting one, is pretty much self-starting. It also jumps about. But it also runs very slowly. As you can see, it's self-starting and will pretty much start from any position, providing it's not top dead centre or bottom dead centre. Anyway, I'm very pleased with this one. And I think to my own design, but using the same cylinder, I'm going to design a multi-cylinder engine based loosely on this one. Anyway, hope you enjoy that. Look out for mrpete222. Thanks for watching.